fresh air filter on. Bike's good to go. Got all my maintenance done last night. It's warm. I guess not. I over-oiled my air filter, so last night I had to wring it out and let it sit for a minute because it wasn't wanting to start right away, but it'll clear out a little bit. I think I'm taking off these handguards soon. If you notice this, my clutch, when I pull it in, it's hitting this piece, and it's this aftermarket clutch, it's almost like it doesn't engage all the way. So I had adjusted the barrel, which is this, and it makes it push out, but it tightens my cable, and it is a hydraulic clutch. So now my clutch is way out here, and I guess this thing doesn't matter because my fingers do stop it right there. But yeah, it definitely could be a little better. I might just have to bleed it or something and just see how that goes, because the cable does need some adjustments to it, but that barrel does my quick fine tuning. I knew it was going to be muddy because of all the rain, but man, this is tough shit. On the way here, there's fields of just water that look like lakes. Jeez, look at all this. It's all washed out. Popping wheelies. Man, look at those. See, they have cool stuff here like that for the Jeeps. Not so much for the dirt bikes. There is some stuff that, you know, it's like that, like the really hard trial shit that a dirt bike could go over. But yeah, I know this part decently. It's just, it's been a while, so this side, I'm just kind of gonna cruise over to the other side. And the ruts are pretty bad. I'm feeling pretty good today. Look at that turkey. Come here, bitch. Way to go. Slow through some of these 4x4 trails, although I guess I don't have to as much as like Badlands, where there's a Jeep or a quad or side by side around every corner. It's not too bad here. It is going to be super muddy though, so my bike is definitely getting a wash today. The dirt here is so neat. It's just red dirt. I gotta remember, oh man, we are in a rut pretty bad. Chose the wrong side of the rut to be in. I should ride the middle. But yeah, as you can see, it's pretty rutted out. I need to go down here. It is super muddy. I do wish it wasn't this muddy. I'm just sliding around, and that's not fun at all. But I guess the hills and stuff won't be as bad. Well, I take that back. Look at that. Alright, we'll go on that left side. That is gnarly. Yeah. I need to break in this new air filter. It's still a little damp from the oil. Or over-oiled it a little bit. You like that? Oh, it is freaking muddy. I just sunk like a foot down. Oh, let's hope this is neat. That was awful. That was really freaking bad. Alright, let's see. How do we get over to these challenge hills? Try and find a way that's not too deep and rutty. It's definitely going to be a muddy day today. Not going to be able to use my brakes much because it just slides. Let's hope there's not a side-by-side down here. been a horrible day to do this. See if we can get through here without swamping my drowning my bike. Oh my gosh, that is so deep. Alright, we're gonna head it up this hill. We can even get some traction, maybe. Big ol' rock on the hill. Pretty gnarly hills. But the 450 just cruises right up it. Alright, see this I'm not too familiar with. I go this way. I'm hoping the single tracks are better. Not as ruddy and muddy. They should be. But you never know. That was deep. Try and keep the bike steady without sinking it. Hopefully I don't flood my bike today or hit a hole that's like a couple feet deep and just nosedive into it. And these roots are kind of bad, but I guess it is pretty washed out. Alright, I somewhat know where I am. I need to go this way. Yeah. See, some of these hills are pretty gnarly. It's mainly just the technical stuff. The roots and rocks. Oh, they did add some new stuff back here. That's kind of neat. Oh man. That's a single track. Alright, here we go. Doing some single tracks on the 450RX. Getting in here is going to be a little bit of an issue. Maybe. See, stuff like that. This is gonna be deep. Oh, don't hit the frog. Look at that. This is bad. I am soaked just from that last one. I figured these ruts wouldn't be as deep, but bike's just rutted out. It's freaking bad. Like that. I don't want to go through this. Look how deep that is. That's ridiculous. That hole's not even like a foot long. I can't even imagine what the difficult. See, look at that, just sliding. I give it throttle, and I just slide. Although, well, yeah. God damn. I guess the hard terrain tires don't really help. At least this water's keeping my bike cool and me cool. My legs and boots are soaked already. Let's go down this way. A little history on this place. Alright, that was that. A little history on this place. This used to be a coal mine. Above ground and underground. This is a fun single track. I remember this one. Hit this one. Oh yeah. Although with it being so slick, it's gonna be a little sketchy. Oh yeah, so what I was saying, a little history on this place. These holes are ridiculous. So, as you can see, there's still ponds out here. Oh, my arms are about to get ripped to shreds by thorns. This is gonna hurt. Ugh. They had leased it off of a guy. There's an owl or a hawk. I think it was an owl. They leased it off of a guy, and when it was done, the guy, I'm pretty sure, was dead, and his family didn't want the property. Oh my gosh. That was a nosedive. Yeah, so the state got it, and they turned it into a riding park. And there's only 2 state-owned riding parks in Indiana. The rest are all private. And you got Redbird, which is this, and Interlake, which is down by Evansville. Hopefully these ruts aren't too deep. That was nuts. But thorns, I hate them. Bathrooms here, they're freaking gross. Man, these are some deep holes. Soaking wet. That was cold water. This is a pretty gnarly hill. A pretty gnarly single track. Yellow. Whoa, shit. That is deep. Some of these are stupid deep. And all the leaves are wet. Man, I am winded. Bridge. Easy desert. I would go over that log, but my guess with how slick everything is, I would eat shit. hate thorns, and they hate me. Ah, yes, another bridge. Glad that tree was there. So I say, if I remember right, there is another bridge. That was not fun. I mean, it was fun for the technical stuff, but man. Was it rough. Oh, no way. It's actually where that goes. I did not know that. Literally a mini shortcut. Oh, no way. That cut a ton of time out. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, wait. I remember. It's a freaking mud pit. Somebody hit a tree. Oh, hello, deer. It's a little fawn. I see deer all the time out here when I'm riding. Usually it's a doe and fawns when I'm out here. Go and let the bike cool off. Yeah, usually I see a doe and fawns out here because I want to say they all congregate over here because you can't hunt on the riding park side of things, so they and it's still thick in certain spots, so I think they come over here and just kind of, it's their safe haven because nobody hunts over here, can't hunt over here.